Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Unicorn Lover 67, and today I have a special guest. Ooh.
Hi guys.
Yes, she is back on my channel, and we are going to be. Oh wait, first introduce yourself. Go ahead.
My name's Kaylee. I'm Nana's cousin, and I have a YouTube channel which is Savage Kaylee. And yeah,
I will put her channel in the description below.
it's not glitching.
Earlier was fun. But yeah, we are going to be playing with all my slimes. I only have 3 slimes because I haven't been playing with them much, and they have been getting really hard. And I just made some new ones not too long ago, so I just wanted to show them and whatever. And then we're gonna take a little piece of each one of them and mix them together at the end. So stay tuned for that. So which one do you want to start off? So wait, let me tell them first. Which ones are they? There are the glow in the dark one, clear, and there are the beads one.
Well, it's kind of clear. It's just blue.
Yeah, it's just like blue clear. So which one do you want to do? The first one. Okay, which is the glow in the dark. So we'll be playing. Go ahead, you can take it out. Yeah, take it out. Okay, yeah. So yes, this is the glow in the dark slime. I'm actually going to turn off the light so you guys can see it.
Yeah, if it'll show on the camera.
Yeah.
So I can actually see it.
Is it showing on the camera?
No.
No? Oh, hold on. Maybe it's because there's this light. Try now. Is there?
And no.
Oh, okay.
I mean, you can see it a little bit, but not that much.
Okay. Well, we tried.
It's not better it's better like in real life, but not in the camera.
Yeah.
Life.
Camera life.
But yeah, it's actually really good.
I love it.
I was like,
when I took it away. Sorry. But yeah, this one's it, and it's actually pretty glittery, and it's really cute. Oh. No, I didn't realize it was going down.
It's really cute. Oh.
It's really glittery, and I love it, and it's so awesome. And I actually made this like a week before you got here, I think it is.
Really?
Yeah. Before she got here.
But I'm almost leaving.
Yeah. So she's only staying for a week. Oh no. Sad. No.
Not for a week, like until Wednesday.
Yeah, which is in like 2 more days. 3 more days. 4 more days. I don't know. But yeah, this no time to be sad. It's fun and awesome. But yeah, this is our first slime. Say goodbye bye, you say it. You see it in a minute. No. Okay. Wait, do you want to see the next one or no?
Yes, I want to just play with it for a little bit.
You're gonna play with it any minute now. I'm just gonna.
Okay, just get the next one. I'm playing with it.
Okay, so the next one is my clear slime.
I love that one.
I love this one. It smells like food.
It smells like Chinese food where you get the shrimp and stuff.
Go ahead and poke it. Let's bring it up to the. Hold on.
I'll bring it up to the camera. I'm the bringer upper.
Yeah, into the picture upper.
Do you want to let it out?
Yeah, hold on. Get this off of me.
Can I get it more?
Oh my! It's got out.
I just blocked. So it breaks pretty fast because it's like kind of like a
putty, yeah.
But it's a pear putty.
Oh my god, it's so.
What did you do?
Oh my god, it is so sticky. What the heck? What? Fly off too. He's like, I believe I can fly.
You're gonna push me up the
thing, up the chair. No, I'm sorry. I'll move over. But yeah.
Are you gonna post this?
No. But yeah. I love this. I love this slime. It's
you
so
gotta
cool.
pay me because I'm your guest on your channel.
I don't said that.
Yeah.
Okay, but yes.
Wait.
I love this. It's so awesome. It breaks really easily, but it's so much fun to play with, though. Maybe I'll make my own.
Maybe what?
I said maybe I'll make my own. Maybe I can make my own again. Maybe I'll make my own again. I can make another one. Like it.
How did you make it? Water?
No. Well, yeah, kind of. I just added water, and I just kept adding, instead of the baking soda, I just kept adding solution. It's really easy to make. It's just really easy.
Here's the can.
Here we go. Wee. Say goodbye bye. We'll say hi in a minute.
3, 2.
Wait, Kaley! Ah! Oh my god, I can't get this off. What the heck? Thank you.
The other one is sticky.
Yes. Okay, go ahead.
Bye bye.
You just stick it into the other part.
Next one
Okay.
is this. She put dough in it. It looks so.
I know, it looks like dookie.
Can we take it out?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, and it smells so much like Tide, and I love it.
Ooh, really? I mean, it's not that bad. Who had the can in the way? Ew. Ew, why are you touching it so much? It's so. Ooh.
A piece of the thing came
The
out.
dough.
The
Can
dough.
I touch it?
Go ahead. No.
So let me bring it up to the.
You're the bringer-upper.
So here is this piece of shit. Yes.
Okay, never.
No, duh. My mom sees it and she laughs at it.
Oh, okay. Oh well.
Okay.
I got confused. Like, what? Okay.
You say it all the time. Like there's not one day that you don't go out with shit.
Oh my god. Okay, so yeah, this is this.
Viewer discretion is advised.
Viewer discretion is advised. No, I'm just kidding.
Viewer description is advised.
Not description, is discretion. What? Description? Description? I don't know. I said description.
Viewer description.
No, description. I don't know.
I said description.
I don't know. I also put stand in this. Did you know that?
This is like a trash can full of stuff.
Yeah, I just basically mixed a whole bunch of the with just limes in it.
You did?
Yeah.
And it came out with this?
Yes. It's like a brown one mixed with green, and then it's mixed. Ew. And then it's mixed with white, like a clear whitish.
Okay, we're putting this back into the trash.
Oh my god, look how much this is.
We're gonna clean that up.
Alright. I got white piece right here. No! I always keep white piece in my room. So yeah. Go ahead, you can put the top on it. What?
Doesn't it look like I have anorexia?
Oh my god.
Do I?
No?
Thank God.
No.
It looks like it. Because the
No.
shoulders.
No, you good. You good. You ain't skiing that much. Kind of chubby. Okay. So now, here's the final part.
We're going to mix them.
Mix them. Not the whole entire thing of the container, just like little pieces. So take a little piece around.
Gimme!
Like that! Woman!
What you doing?
Should we add this one or no?
Yes.
No! Okay.
Yes.
I feel bad for this line now.
It was such a pretty color until this shit came in.
Yeah. Right. Should we mix these two?
Yeah, that would make a pretty color.
Yeah. Okay.
But,
Okay.
So
yeah.
Let's mix.
Yeah. Wait. Okay.
I will love you, slime. I will never forget you.
I will never forget you.
You're gonna freaking let me off the chair.
And you will always be on my side. From the day that I pooped you. Look how pretty.
It's so pretty color. I can't believe you did this.
What?
I can't believe you did this.
You can't believe you did this?
Yeah, to your slime, to your poor slime, Nana.
But it's so pretty. Holy dookie. Oh my god, but it's so cute. What?
What? I'm trying to feel it too.
No, dirt. I just wanted to poke it.
So look at the pretty color, guys. I know it looks like a bluish up there, but it's like... Wait.
Watch. Hold on. Watch out. Give me a piece.
I want to make a balloon.
I'm gonna make a bubble. Ready?
I do that always.
Pop.
Woo!
Again.
Dun. Rick, I'm trying to make a bubble, but you're in the way.
Why, thank you. Okay, so yeah. This is lit.
Lit?
This is it. And lit. Yeah. But yeah.
Don't mess it up, please.
But yes, this is all for today's video. Subscribe, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Oh, wait, before that, go watch my next video. I'm going to be making some s'mores. Yeah, people.
Yeah.
Go be making some s'mores. She's going to have her side on her channel and my side on my channel.
That's why I'm charging my phone.
Yeah. But yeah,
So
we're going
to be a vlog, and we're going to have so much fun with you guys. Should we make a live?
Yeah, we should do live. Yeah, you want to.
It'll post on it anyways. It'll post on your...
Yeah.
Post on it.
But yeah, this is all for today's vlog.
So guys, come on the live. It's probably, what time is it?
Like, it's 8 something now. Dang, it's 9 o'clock.
But we're still gonna make it, guys.
Yes.
No worries. Keep. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Yes. So that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching.
Comment down below if you like the color or not. We'll be shouting out some people.
Comment down below what is your favorite oh my god. Comment down below what is your favorite color, so that way my next slime I can do it your favorite color.
And subscribe to my channel, Savage Kaylee, and stay tuned because I'm gonna be giving a shout out to somebody.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!